How to fix Google Map location problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Map location problem on Android phone. First open Google Map and then just click this one here and then click OK. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to settings and then scroll down and go to apps and then apps again and type here Google Maps, and here we'll find it. Click on it. Wait, maps. Type maps and here we'll find it. And now all you need to do, just go to permissions and enable location here and then click force stop and go try again and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.